Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 43. In the late 19th century, Stagecoach Mary Fields, an African-American woman, became a Wild West legend. Born into slavery, Mary gained freedom after the Civil War and ventured west to Montana. At 63, she broke barriers as the first African-American female mail carrier, outpacing younger competitors in a horse hitching contest. Known for her toughness, Mary carried a revolver, never missed a day on her perilous mail route, and was revered for her fearlessness. Yet she was equally known for her kindness, especially towards children. Mary's story is a unique blend of resilience and compassion, symbolizing strength and defiance in the American frontier, challenging racial and gender norms of her time.